Hi dear students, today I am going to discuss the formation of image by a concave lens. Image formation by concave lens. Uh, in this video we will learn that how the image is formed by a concave lens, and if you are interested to draw this diagram by your own, so I will give you a few tips. By following these tips, you will be able to draw your own diagram in a very easy way. Dear students, first of all, take 14 centimeter length, 14 centimeter length line segment of 14 centimeter. Cut 1 centimeter from left end and 1 centimeter from right end, and we mark these 2 points as 2f, 2f. Now dear students, the distance between these two f points is 12 centimeter, as it was total 14 centimeter. I have removed this 1 centimeter towards right and 1 centimeter is left towards left side, so the distance between them is 12 centimeter. Divide this 12 centimeter into 4 equal parts. First of all 6, फिर 3 and 9. आप स्केल की मदद से you can take help from scale. Name this point as 2f. Also this point is 2f and the midpoint is C. Now dear students, take a compass and open it up to 5.5 centimeter and place your compass at 2f point and draw an arc in this way, as I am doing in this way. Now go to the right side, place the compass at this 2f point and draw the arc in this way as I did in this video. Now draw a dotted line at the middle of this concave lens. Concave lens is such a lens which is thinner from the middle and thicker from the sides. There is only one chance of the image formation if you place an object at f, between f and 2f, outside f. Wherever you place an object, image will be virtual, erected and smaller in size. If I have placed object at this point, this is our object. Draw two rays, one starting from the tip of the object and it pass through the optical center and undeviated goes straight, it will not bend. The other ray, which is parallel to the principal axis, after refraction it will diverge in such a way that it appears to come from this principal focus. Now the point of intersection where the ray and the produced dotted line intersect each other, here is the image formed by the concave lens. This is object and this is image. For this image, point number 1, this image is virtual, as this image cannot be formed on screen, only it can be viewed from concave lens with our eye and cannot be made on the screen. Point number 2, This image will be erected. Erected mean if the object is upright, image will also be upright, so it is called erected image. Point number 3, image will always be smaller in height, smaller in size. And number 4, image will always be formed at the same side where an object is placed on the same side. So dear students, in this way you can draw the formation of an image with the help of concave lens by my given informations, and hopefully you will draw it very accurately. If you like this video, then it is requested to kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get further informative videos regarding matter classes. Goodbye.